Hello Rahim. Hello my YouTube friends. How are you? So in this video you are going to learn 10 modern idioms, and by the end of watching this video you'll be a perfectionist in idioms. So the first is ghost someone. Ghost someone. It means to cut off with someone suddenly without giving them a notice. So that's called ghost someone. Now let's move on to the sentence. You can say he just ghosted me, or he just ghosted me without giving in my notice. Number two is throw shade. Throw shade. It means to insult someone indirectly. Means you are not insulting the person right in front of their face, but you are insulting them indirectly. And the sentence B, she was throwing shades at him in the party. She was throwing shades at him in the party. Now next is flex on someone. Flex on someone. It means to show off. To show off. Now let's move on to sentence. Sentence be like, she is flexing her phone. She is flexing her phone at me. Or you can say she is flexing her new dress in the party. Next is, you often hear this a lot from Gen Z, or you can say Alpha. That's called FOMO. FOMO, fear of missing out on something. That's called FOMO. Let's move on to sentence. I wasn't going to go out, but then I got FOMO. Means I was not intended to go to somewhere, but then I got FOMO. Means fear of missing out something. The next is spill the tea. Spill the tea. It means to share gossip or to share what happened. Sentence be like, spill the tea about the wedding. Can you spill the tea about the wedding? Or you can say spill the tea about their relationship. Next is, which is number 6, level up. Level up. It means to improve. To improve on something. It's called level up. And the sentence be like, she really leveled up her English skills. Or you can say she really leveled up in her English skills. Or you can say she really levels up in the career. Next is cancel someone. Cancel someone means to boycott or to reject. To boycott or to reject. Now let's move the sentence. Let's move on to the sentence. They got cancelled after the dispute in the property. They got cancelled after the dispute. Or you can say they got cancelled after the fight. Now number 8 is catch feelings. Catch feelings. Before moving to the meaning and the sentence, please subscribe the channel and like the video. Must comment if you want to ask me anything, or if you want me to make a video on a certain topic. Please subscribe. Catch feelings. It means to start developing feelings. To start developing feelings. We were friends, but then I started catching feelings. We were friends, but then I started catching feelings. Number 9 is on fleek. On fleek. On fleek means perfectly done. Perfectly done. Now let's make a sentence. Her makeup is on fleek today. Or you can say she is looking fleek in the wedding. Yeah, she was looking fleek on the wedding. Not in the wedding, on the wedding. And next idiom is high key, and low key. But first, we move on to low key. Low key means secretly. Secretly. You can say he is a low key person. He is a low key person, or I'm a low key person. And if you want me to make another sentence, that would be uh, I am low-key sick of spending time on this job, right? And the last is high key. High key means openly. I high key want a job with more money. Yes, I high key want a job with more money. Please keep on practicing because practice is the key to success. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.